me, sir.
Okay.
I had enough time,
Okay.
so I just spend some specific amount of time. It's manageable for me, sir. No, sir. I didn't work continuously, sir. I just intermittently only. I just used to see those topics, sir.
Okay.
So I haven't worked for the entire 32 days, sir. I just worked for I just worked for this, to say exactly, I worked for a week, sir.
Oh, that's
So
great.
because I had some personal issues,
Okay.
so I am not here, sir. I went to my native place, so I had some issues there, sir. So it's just